Oh, it's a book? Oh, that's a lot. What kind of book? Let me see.
Oh, manga.
Hey, do you want a new chair for your room?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
What kind of book? Good night. Good night books. Here, Maddie. Maddie, this is for you. Go here. Come. Go in the box. Oh, that's a lot. How much?
200.
200? 200 for this book? Oh. Another one. Oh, that has been open and this is still not. See, that's funny.
Sometimes it's just like that.
Oh. How about here? This all still sealed. How do you know this book?
What do you mean?
How did you find out about this book?
The internet?
Huh?
The internet.
Internet? Just open one, finish it, then open the other one later. So keep it inside
No.
the plastic.
Why would you do that?
You keep it new.
Throw it all the way at once.
It's from UK. Yes, one book is 17, is 200. Good for you, sir. If you like a new chair, you can have daddy chair in the office.
No.
No? Or you want to get a new chair with mommy? I can get you a new chair.
No, I don't want a new chair.
Is that comfortable in your room?
Yeah.
Okay. No, I just offering you if in the case you want something new for your room. You already there? You want read the book? Yes? So 1 to 7?
Yeah, 7.
Good. You bring it up.
I will later.
You wanna be in the recycle too? Max, you wanna be in the recycle? You want a cookie, Maddie? Yes. Maddie? What happened? What happened? Max? Come on, Max, come here. Do you need to do that? Look at Max, hide under the table.
It's high end.
No, that's the wrong way.
Okay. Alright. So it's the backwards.
Oh, you put in there, that's cool.
It's manga. It's a nice.
What is the book about?
It's manga. It's like comic books, and it's basically it's kind of a comic book and lots of words and things like that.
Oh, that's cool. See now your necklace like that, no tangle.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
She's nice. She's pretty good. Good for you. I wanted to be clarinet. That's a nice instrument. Carissa is very, very music. She needs.
She do not want
an
it.
upgrade on a seat one day. An upgrade on a nice seat. One day. There's no space for a chair here. No, she got the longer desk in there. That's a smaller room. But this is a room with
Oh, look at that. What happened to you? Eh? She's waiting for for someone to patch him. Go patch him.
Oh, he wants me.
Yeah.
Hello.
Where is Mas Daniel, Max? Huh? Where is Mas Daniel? Hi, Maddie.
You want to go for ice cream today?
Right now?
Well,
Yeah.
We're going to get ice cream.
Come on, let's go for ice cream.
Huh? We're going to.
Maddie, you wanna this? Yeah. Smell it? Enak banget? Enggak enak. Habis, Maddie, habis. Who's that? Mas Daniel. Do you see Mas Daniel, Maddie? Where's Mas Daniel? Mas Daniel! Mas Daniel! Where is he? Max! Go see Mas Daniel, Max! Come on! Someone looking for you! Huh? Huh? You don't want to go, honey? There's Mas Daniel right there. Maddie?
Maddie!
Look at that. Who is that? The boy. Right there.
Maddie. What are you doing, kitty? She's a salty girl.
Okay, sit here, Maddie. Come sit with Mama.
There you go. Sit. Duduk.
Nggak bisa duduk. Right, Maddie? Yeah. Max? What do you want? Come here, Max. What's that? Who's that? Go. 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 Go find him. Go find him. Come on. Come on, Maddie. It's not Southgate. Tomorrow we're going to landscaping.
Oh, I thought you meant Southgate.
I already measured it.
No, I thought that you were more.
No, I don't care about the room.
Oh,
You mean they don't like it? Don't
No,
give them
she's
human
Maddie's,
food.
You want a snack?
Yeah.
Give them a snack. Oh,
Bring it here.
take the bottle.
Bring it here. Yeah? Do you want a snack?
They do.
Yeah, what's
Oh,
that?
their ears perked up.
Yeah. Come on.
Max?
Okay, let's wait till he uses
Max.
his paw to hold and stabilize. Oh, there's a hold and stabilization.
Maddie?
Oh, Maddie will just put it right. Max will stabilize.
Max?
Yeah. Hold and ring.
Maddie? Max?
Oh,
Maddie? Max?
Max? Are you
Maddie.
become eater now?
Maddie? Okay, let's do one more. Watch this. Max?
Oh, Max. One more.
Maddie? Oh,
Max, you don't be rakus.
That's the last one.
There you go.
There,
Habis?
Hey,
Terima kasih, Mas Daniel. Max.
There, no more.
Habis ya? Enak.
Selesai.
Enak banget. Max,
Delicious.
I have more here. Do you want some? Yeah, Maddie, smell my hand. What?
Yeah.
Cabai.
Habish.
Bau ikan asin, Max.
Habish,
Hmm.
Max.
Habis. Oke, that's it. Enak ya?
Max next.
That is yours.
What's
Okay.
going on with you this weekend? Lots of school stuff? Mm-hmm. And then what's going on with that? Oh, the treadmill. Yes, it's all ready for me to prep it. I got to take that off. They look for the wire. The wire is very finicky there to shake it, move it. It could be the fuse.
Do you want some more?
Otherwise, they have to put a whole
Yeah.
new set of wires in and come to the house.
More?
And it'll be about a month.